This is the video guide that is about removing the online scam that comes from the site Venumeu.click. Venumeu.click is definitely a deceptive website that you shouldn't trust. This website displays misleading and faulty messages which try to encourage its visitors into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. You should be very careful not to interact with these pop-ups by Venumeu.click because, as I said, their mission is to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. Because of that, your computer may eventually be infected even more dramatically instead of being clean. So please don't trust these deceptive pop-ups by Venumeu.click. They are not related to any decent security software. If you click on this Stay Protected button, most likely you will be brought to some other deceptive sites, and eventually you may experience a lot of troubles. So I recommend you to be careful not to download or install anything that these pop-ups suggest. My another recommendation is that you research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.